Hey guys, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And today I'm going to do what I think is a quick video. It's for this one. Don't bother me. I'm procrastinating. Love it. Sounds like a perfect for me. This is one of our B-size transfer. It's like an 8.5 by 11. Sometimes it's all one like this one. Sometimes there's several smaller ones with cut lines that you can use. And on the back, you always have the instructions for the care of the transfer. And of course the name of it on the back. I always keep this plastic that it comes in. It has a little hook on top that you can hang it up, or these smaller ones you can just put flat in a drawer. So they just are a little sticky on the bottom. So don't cut that off because you can seal it back when you're done. Because these transfers you can use over and over and over again. And they go on a lot of different surfaces, which I'm going to show you today. And I'm just going to write on here, back, because after you clean it, put it on the right side. It does make a big difference. So when you put it back, you want the glossy side to be on the sticky. Now, I want to show you the board I'm using. This is just a regular, I don't know, it's like a 1/2 inch maybe, plywood. And I've already done this side quite a while ago, which I've had on my desk. And now this side, I just took acrylic paint and green and white and took a foam brush and just brushed it on, and then I sanded it, distressed it, and used some Minwax on it to make it a little bit easier, a little bit more forgiving on my transfer. Now, normally going on to a porous thing like this, you don't have to fuzz, but it is going onto wood, and sometimes you get some of these wood chips or particles, and they're a little bit hard to get off of your transfer. So to be a little kinder to the transfer, I'm going to fuzz it a little bit, and hopefully that will protect it. That and the wax I put on it, I protect it a little bit. Now I'm just securing it down on the wood surface, and then I'm taking the bright white, and I am using paste, and our big squeegee. Just squeegee it on. Make sure you get all the places in the netting filled with your ink or your paste, whichever you're using. Squeegee off the excess and put it back in your jar. Now I'm using the big squeegee because it's all one area and one color, so it's real easy. There you go. So if you like this as much as I do, which is a lot, and you would like to look into it a little bit more, just go to my website, chalkcouture.com/Cherie Criswell. And when you're there, you can browse, shop, join, or sign up for our monthly subscription. Thanks for watching.